Marketo Marketing Automation Tool Review. Usage experience. Marketo is a leading marketing automation platform tailored for medium to large businesses seeking to streamline and optimize their marketing efforts. Designed for those managing complex campaigns, it excels in automating email marketing, lead generation, customer engagement, and analytics. The tool's standout features include its dynamic email builder, which allows you to craft personalized campaigns with ease, and its advanced lead scoring system, which evaluates prospects based on behavior, engagement, and demographic data. Marketo's robust CRM integration ensures seamless data synchronization with platforms like Salesforce, empowering sales teams with real-time insights. Marketo's strength lies in its scalability. Whether you're running a single email blast or managing multi-channel campaigns across web, email, and social, it offers a centralized dashboard to track performance metrics and ROI in real time. The platform also includes AI-driven predictive analytics, enabling marketers to forecast campaign outcomes and make data-driven decisions. For content marketers, the Engagement Hub provides detailed insights into how content resonates with your audience, helping you fine-tune strategies for maximum impact. Who is it for? Marketo is ideal for marketing professionals in industries such as tech, finance, and healthcare, where complex customer journeys and regulatory compliance are key factors. However, it's not as beginner-friendly as some alternatives like HubSpot. The learning curve can be steep, especially for smaller teams without dedicated marketing operations staff. Onboarding and training are essential to unlocking its full potential. In terms of pricing, Marketo operates on a subscription model, and costs can quickly add up based on the number of contacts and features you require. While it's a premium solution, the investment is justified for businesses seeking a powerful, enterprise-level tool to elevate their marketing game. In our experience, Marketo performs exceptionally well in handling large datasets and orchestrating sophisticated campaigns, but it does require a commitment to learning its intricacies. If you're looking for a tool that combines advanced automation, in-depth analytics, and scalability, Marketo is a solid choice. However, if you're a smaller organization or new to marketing automation, you may find the complexity overwhelming. In summary, Marketo is a robust, feature-rich solution that can transform your marketing efforts when used effectively. Its comprehensive capabilities are best suited for businesses with the resources and expertise to maximize its potential.